Here's some video from this brand new campground, RV campground in Meadow Creek, West Virginia. Also got a rare train move there. I filmed the single stack intermodal train go through Meadow Creek, which is extremely rare because you don't get intermodals through the middle of the gorge. And when you do, they have to be single stack because double stack wouldn't fit through the tunnels. But I think the owner of the campground's name was, I think he said his name was Josh. Yeah, it's Josh. I had to think of it. I mean, I'm not best with names. But he has a nice campground. It's a brand new campground that just recently opened up. So for RVs, which is a beautiful location because you got great fishing there. So a lot along the river in the trout stream. And you also, if you're a rail fan like me, there's plenty of trains because you got rail lines on both sides of the campground. Although the branch line is not very active, but it still sees the occasional train. Enjoy the video. Well, this is an impossible task. Trying to get where the sun ain't gonna be blinding me, but from this location, that's not gonna be possible. The sunlight's too bright. Intermodal. Tracks, and I can come over here. Well, that's a surprise. It's a beautiful campground for RVs and campers. I have to look at the brochure. But apparently I come down here trying to get some pictures and videos of the train. And then that one person wanted to show me names where the campground here that he has. That's a house. I take it that place is abandoned. It's a beautiful campground though. And over there's the rail line. There's the branch line. Got excited because I thought I was going to get a train on that line today. But it ain't happening this time. Oh well. Instead of asking him, well, if I would have seen that house sooner, I would have asked him about that house. Now I'm kind of curious who owns it. I thought I heard the train in the distance. But there's a trout fishing stream here too. Beautiful camp down there.